Hi, so you may have noticed that recently we had an update to our timeline within the deal section. So let's go to a deal. We will grab a quick look at the timeline here. You'll notice that we haven't filled out a lot of days here, but that one of the tasks is actually due today here. So moving forward, you will be able to set a kind of global version of the events that you want to show up on your deals within the timeline. So if we go into our settings here, you'll notice that timeline now is a selection for account settings. And you can actually switch between the buying and selling side to kind of set what your global view of is for the timeline for every single deal. So if I want my listing date in here, I can put it in where I want it to go. If I want my closed date in here for whatever reason, I can do that too. Any date that you add as a custom field or that is a field within the system already will show up in this list so that you can edit accordingly. And then, for example, maybe you have dates that apply to one deal but not another. You can actually go a little bit more granular with this, and we'll kind of play with John here. We can actually go into his timeline, and you'll notice, oh, a lot of these are upcoming. They haven't happened yet. One of these already did happen, and one of these is due today. But we can actually use this configure button right here. And if we need to add anything, say this deal, maybe it's a VA loan, so a mandatory termite inspection, we can throw this in here on where it needs to be. Same with maybe we want to show a chimney inspection date on this deal as well. We can put those back in there, go back to viewing timeline, and now they are in that timeline. Uh, Again, this only affects if you're configuring it from within a deal, that deal's timeline. You will be setting your global timeline for both the buy and sell side from within the settings. If you have any questions, though, feel free to reach out. We'll be happy to help.